Welcome to the f***ing show.
The Black Friday sales have come into crypto. 15 billion wiped from the overall market cap, the most severe move we've seen in many a month, straight off the back of one of the most stable periods in Bitcoin's history. Why has this happened? To be clear, it is unclear. You will have people suggesting certain things as reasons. I found the most interesting one to be big miners are selling their Bitcoin in anticipation of the Bitcoin Cash hash wars. Let's look into that, shall we? Craig Wright reveals that he has 50% plus of the hash power to support BCH SV, Satoshi's vision, or basically Craig Wright's vision if he is Satoshi. Bitcoin Cash SV, the protocol backed by self-proclaimed Satoshi Nakamoto, Craig Wright, has recently seen its price surge well over 50%, as it has been revealed that over 51% of the network's hash rate is currently supporting the SV development team. Data from coin.dance shows that this has indeed happened, as the pools supporting SV are blah 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 blah. Together, these account for roughly 56% of the network's hash rate. Why is that a big deal? Having a majority of the hash rate, so anything above 51%, means that if the Bitcoin Cash blockchain does split, the miners can together kill off the competing chain by deploying their hash power to only mine empty blocks on it. This would stop transactions from going through, making the cryptocurrency useless. I wonder if it is still considered useless if for a time you can't make transactions, because who's making transactions anyway? But the move, which some see as an aggressive move, no kidding, is to write part of the protocol which allows it to happen. The threat of such an attack is so real that a group of miners have grouped together to form the Shark Pool and revealed they will exclusively mine empty blocks. While according to some the attack may merely be a bluff, the other side is looking to respond. As Crypto Globe covered, Bitmain, the world's largest cryptocurrency mining hardware manufacturer, has been looking to deploy 90,000 Antminer S9 ASICs ahead of the hard fork to combat the 51%. It's an interesting idea. A hash war like this could end up being very expensive for Bitmain, but why they'd wait to the day of the fork itself to sell Bitcoin doesn't seem right. I also hate how basically those that got into cryptocurrency really early are now squabbling with each other over power. At least that's what it feels like to me. Like, imagine the average Joe considering, am I going to pay for this service or item using BTC, BCH, BCHSV, this, that? Like, I just don't see them really going to that bother. And it seems Craig Wright actually understands this, and he recently had this to say about it.
Bitcoin Core is already dead.
That's a big mountain to climb there too. So
no, it's not. Bitcoin Core is already dead. They just don't know it yet. With the changes from the original Bitcoin and what they've done to add SegWit and whatever else, they don't understand the system well enough, and they will learn next year that there is a fatal flaw in BTC. And by fatal, I mean there won't be any BTC at the end of next year.
Now, it wouldn't be the first time the self-proclaimed Satoshi Nakamoto has made a wild statement, more like the Simon Cowell of crypto. Time will tell if we can make good on this one. I doubt it. Regardless, this could be a temporary lull. As we can clearly see here on this technical chart, Bitcoin is on these elastic type things, and the supports are wobbling. But on the real, we've seen anytime Bitcoin fall below 6K to quite quickly rebound, so it will be interesting to see what happens in the immediate future. But let's take a look at the market as a greater whole. Looking at it does make me feel like this monk. Ethereum has slumped a little bit harder than Ripple has, so Ripple has once again claimed the #2 spot for like the 18th time. Congratulations, Ripple, or XRP, whatever. Bitcoin dominance now at 53%, and it's quite easy to see why on a day like this, where Bitcoin is posting 11% now, drops in a day. Many of the other altcoins are posting between 15 and 20% losses. Apart from Nasdaq coin. The hell? As far as I can tell, it's a simple cryptocurrency used to facilitate online payments for their own ecosystem, their own online marketplace. Nothing too special, it seems, but yeah, big gains. It was listed on 3 exchanges simultaneously. I'd expect this to come crashing down very soon. Not financial advice, but there you go. Definitely a crazy day in crypto, price-wise, news-wise.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Leave a like if you were entertained. I really appreciate it. And someone recently reminded me of the way I used to end videos. You see, they used to end really abruptly.